In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DAX MAXX and MAXX to find the maximum value in Power BI. Navigating Power BI can sometimes be a bit overwhelming, especially if you're fairly new to it or if you haven't explored all its functionalities yet. That's where DAX, or Data Analysis Expressions, comes into play. It's a powerful formula language in Power BI that enables you to create new information from the data that you already have. Today, we'll focus specifically on finding the maximum values using the MAXX and MAXX functions within this language. Let's get started by opening up Power BI on your computer. Once you have Power BI open and ready, we're going to dive right into the Home tab. Now, you might be familiar with the various options here, but for those who aren't, the Home tab is your central hub for any new analysis you want to conduct. It's where you can create new measures, which are essentially calculations or formulas that you can use to gain insights from your data. Within the Home tab, our first task is to create a new measure. It's as simple as clicking on the New Measure button. What we're aiming to do is craft a formula that tells Power BI to look at our data set and identify the largest value. Now comes the interesting part, writing the code for this measure. While it may seem intimidating at first, remember that DAX is quite user-friendly once you get the hang of it. In the formula bar, you'll need to type in the following DAX code. Let's start with the MAXX function. It's a straightforward way to find the maximum value in a single column. The code will look like this: max table column. This function scans through a column and returns the highest value it finds. A real time saver, right? Meanwhile, the MAXX function is slightly different but equally powerful. It's used when you need to work across rows of a table to return the largest numeric value. This might be useful when you're handling more complex calculations or when your data resides over different columns. The syntax for MAXX is MAXX, a table expression. Here, the expression can be any calculation that you want to perform on the rows of the table before determining the max value. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new measure using DAX to find the maximum value in your Power BI report. Try experimenting with these functions using different data sets and observe the kinds of insights you can uncover. These techniques are not just about finding the maximum value, but also about enhancing your overall data analysis process. Thanks for watching, and happy data crunching with Power BI.